Good morning, children. 8B students. Today we will learn about the method to find the square root of a perfect square number by prime factorization and second by long division method. So first of all, let us see how to find the square root of a number by prime factorization. You see here we have to find the square root of 576. First of all, we have to factorize it into prime factors. So 576 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now what we have to do, we have to take pairs of two factors which are same. Now you have got this type: first pair, second pair, third pair, and fourth pair is 3 into 3. You have to factorize it in the rough side. Now we have to find the square root of 576. We take one factor from the one pair. Now first two from the first pair, second two from the second pair, and third two from third pair, and 3 from the fifth pair. So we have to multiply it. Now 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 24. So square root of 576 is equal to 24. Now another question is to find the square root of 7744. Again, in the same way we have to factorize it and write the factors. Next we have to make pairs of the same factors. Since 7744 is a perfect square, we will get paired factors. Now this type we have to write in pairs, and from first pair we take 2, second pair again 2, third pair again 2, and fourth pair we have to take 11. What we have to do, we have to multiply. Square root of 7.4 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 11, which is equal to 88. Now you see that if A and B are any two whole numbers, then root AB is equal to root A into root B. This is the rule. So product of square root of the product of two numbers is the product of square root of individual numbers. Next, you see that if A and B are two whole numbers, the square root of their ratio is equal to the ratio of the square roots of the individual numbers. For example, A by B whole under root is equal to root A by root B. If A is equal to x is equal to A square, then root x is equal to A. For example, if x is equal to 625, you see here 625 is the square of 25. So we write root x is equal to root of 625, that is equal to 25. Now next method is to find the square root of a number by long division method. So what we have to do, we write for example, let us see, we have to find the square root of 17424. Now since it is a large number, so it is difficult to get its factors. So for large numbers, what we do, we apply long division method instead of prime factorization method. So what we do, first we write the number 17424 and we make pairs from the right side. We make pairs from the right side: 2 for one pair, 7 for one pair, second pair, and 1 remains same. It may be in pair or at single digit. Now what we see, that first unpaired or paired number, we see that which number is the nearest perfect square less than or equal to that first digit. So it is 1, so we say that 1 is a perfect square, so write 1 in the quotient, and here also 1, and we write here below 1 we write 1 and subtract it, we get it 0. Next we have to take the next pair 74 and divisor. What we say here, we add 1 plus 1 2 in the divisor, so here it is 2. Now we have to see that which number is the perfect square less than 74. It is, now what you say that we put one digit after 2 and multiply it so that the product should be less than 74. So it is 3. If you take 4 here, 2 4, then its product will be 96, which is greater than 74. So we take 3 and the product we write 69. Again below we write 3, so 23 plus 3 we add, it becomes 26, and here the difference is 5. 74 minus 69 is 5. Next we bring down the next pair 24. So in the dividend it is 524. Now here 2 6, we got 2 6 by adding 3 to 23. So then next we write 2. If you multiply 262 by 2, we get 524. If you multiply with other numbers, suppose you put here 3, we will get larger number. If we write 1, we get less number. So generally it is perfect square. What you see that we have to get the product 524, so you multiply by 2. So we write here 2 tender 17424 is equal to 132. So quotient you write every time what you are taking in the divisor side, we write in the quotient. First one is 1, second one is 3, and third one is 2. So you write here on the top 1 3 2. So this is the square root by long division method. Next you see square root of numbers in the decimal form. So let us see, we have to find the square root of 42.25. So first of all you write 42.25 and find square root by long division method and put decimal where it comes. So first to take pair it. So 25 is one pair and 42 is another pair. So we take in the divisor the number. First of all we see that which number is perfect square less than 42. So it is 36 square root 6. So we take 6 as a divisor. So it becomes 36 and we subtract it. The remainder is 6. And here we add 6 plus 6 is equal to 12, and then second digit in the we write 5 because we have to bring 625. So we should get product as 625. So we write 5 here and the product is 625 and we subtract it, it becomes 0. So what you see that after 6 decimal comes, so we write 6.5. So a square root of 52.25 is equal to 6.5. So this is the method of finding a square root by long division method.